guys, KaffyKat here, and so I am going to be doing a little bit about why I like Animal Jam. And guys, this is my very first video. I'm so excited! It's Animal Jam, and guys, I'm KaffyKat, but my username is ScareGirl233. Okay, so if you want to look me up, just look up that. Okay, just look up that or that. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to go over some things. I'm a new channel, and guys, I really love YouTube. I'm very scared though, but guys, I love cameras and stuff, so I want to be a director when I grow up, maybe. So guys, I'm just going to tell you my dream items. My dream items are, and if you have them, please tell me, and then put your username so I could try and meet you, and if you want, you could maybe get them. It's because I'll gift some really cool things, and I'm not trying to scam you guys, because I'm KaffyKat, okay? KaffyKats do not scam. So my dream item is nerd glasses, guys. Nerd glasses. I know it's really crazy, but I want nerd glasses. And let me show you what I'll trade for it. So I'll do a rare wing theme, and maybe that if you're a member. Rare cowboy boots, rare that. Rare helmet, rare that, rare that, rare that. Rare that, rare that, rare everything. As long as I get it, and wait, guys, and I will trade one of my pets, but these two are a couple, so do not get them. And this one's my main character, Kitty Cat. And please don't take my unicorn, but all the rest you could take, okay? The ducks, you could take anything. So guys, I'm just gonna start dancing and say that why I love Animal Jam. So Animal Jam is super fun. When I first started, and guys, I'm kind of jumbled right now, but Glitter Girl, please look her up and subscribe, like, comment, and just love her, okay? So I used to hate Animal Jam. I know it's crazy. So when I hated Animal Jam, she was super into it for a long time. And then once Minecraft, it's because I love Minecraft, I started like slowing down on the Minecraft effect. So then I tried out Animal Jam. I was a non-member and I loved the game. So I asked my mom if I could get a membership. I got a membership. So guys, and I'm just going to show you where it's dead, like this. Dead. It makes me feel dead too. It's from the phantoms. The phantoms. Okay, so guys, I am just going to go into, I'm going to do a venture, you guys. I hope this is the right area. I'm going to do a venture. Wait, I just want to try something. Oh, no, isn't working right now. But guys, I'm going to go on a venture. Sorry, guys, that was, like, my voice was messed up right there. So I'm going to go on a venture. I'm really bad at them, so please don't make fun of me for ventures. So yeah, ventures are basically training, and you get gems and everything, and I'm really low on gems, and soon I'm going to show you my spare account, which I made a boy, and I have laptop and computer, so I played both of them at once. It was pretty cool, but it was very hard to move everything. But guys, I want to get something. Ooh, Cage Phantoms, yes. Yes, please. I don't have enough. I have 3. I feel so bad spending all my gems yesterday. Yep, but, Ghost and Adventure, normal. I always go with normal. Lots of people. Please come. I do And guys, I know how to do adventures. I do not know how to do it. So guys, I love adventures and I do them. But all my buddies bail on me. That's the sad part. Well, I guess it's just gonna be me and a pig. Me and a pig. Perfect team. A wolf and a pig. Guys, I really want to pig. Lagla, she just says nonsense that I don't care about. And this buddy is treating me like I have nothing to do with this venture that I actually like because I'm very bad at them. Guys, I'm just mentioning that this is how you'll get to the next level. You just read the bunny's lips. I think she already done that. Nope. Yeah, the owner's gonna be back later. Well, I hope that person could move because all the phantoms are gonna eat her. What do you get? Take care. Oh, no. Harry got stung. Harry got stung. Oh, phantom. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna get stung again. But, okay, pig, go. Pig, you aren't doing anything. Okay, I died, guys. I died. I want to buddy that dude. I want to buddy her. She's nice. She's wonderful. And I love her. Yeah, so guys, I have another pig and I'm just going to get like the exact same clothes and stuff. I feel bad. Oh, why are we getting him in the trap? Okay, I'm just going to do that. Make him follow me. Follow. And guys, this is super laggy. And I just got some gems. But guys, I just got super laggy. Whenever you do like treasure hunts or something, it always gets laggy. So guys, I'm sorry. But I have to leave because then it will just crash my computer like always. And I don't like it when it does that. Why am I so stuck right now? Why? Okay guys, I'm gonna go to the diamond shop and get some things. Maybe send some mail or something, guys. I'm pretty lonely right now. Ah, there. Got some things. Well, more gems and stuff. And guys, I am going to be going to a party. There's no dinner parties going on. I need dinner parties. Jam season? I'm maybe going to go there. In 1 hour and 57 minutes. Okay, I gotta go there. Guys, I'm just writing something down. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I gotta write something down so I remember that. Okay, so I'm writing AJ1HR 58 M's. 58 M's. So now I remember. Make a line because I have another password that I always forget. Okay, no, everything stinks. Oh guys, do you want to see my cougar self? I love my cougar. Oh, I thought the sheep was only 5 gems. I love sheep. Okay. There's nothing really good. So I'm just going to change my character. Cougar, I'm sorry I was role-playing as a lion at that time. For some reason, and I'm not that penguin. I'm this. I know it's very embarrassing myself. That's good. I like that. Yeah. Yep, I got rare pigtails, which I will be trading. Okay? Trading. So let's get everything off my animal. Okay, guys, I just remembered that I have something really cool. So I'm not going to be my cougar. I'm going to be my spinning goat. Spinny boy, spinny boy, spinny boy. Look how cute this spinny boy is. So guys, I want to buddy this girl. She's super nice. Yes, I love buddying people, but guys, if I disbuddy you, I'm sorry. My thing glitches out a lot, and sometimes I like have to think about it and stuff. But guys, I'm so sorry if you had a crushed heart. I'm so sorry. So guys, I am going to be sending some mail. Ooh, Halloween, which is Glitter Girl. Subscribe to her. I love her. She's the best. And yeah, I'm going to send her a message. And yesterday, I totally wanted her to give me an auto, and she gave me it. So auto. She's going to be so mad. She's going to be so mad at me, right? Oh, oops. I write auto wrong because my computer, and plus I'm very bad at typing, guys. Wait. Yeah, so auto me, right? That's new, but wait, guys, I am just feel bad now. Why am I writing things all wonky? Auto me, right? Okay, Jammer Township. Let's go to Jammer Township with my buddy. And guys, I'm maybe going to be switching servers because I do it like every single day. Oh, I probably Jammer. I don't know, but I'm just going to like this art because it is awesome. Look how cute that is. That is so kawaii. And kawaii means like so cute. Oh, I need to buddy this person. This is a party. But guys, my favorite jammer is Leopard or Wisteria Moon. My second favorite is Julian 2. But sorry, Pari, I don't really like you. I just don't really. It's because I never watch one of your videos. You must really hate me right now. But I gotta take that chance. Oh, there's so many phantoms. Okay, I'm like the only spinny boy and nobody is acknowledging it, so I just feel terrible inside. So I'm just going to go to my den. Okay, guys, I had a bust party here yesterday. It was pretty. There was only 2 pigs, which were sisters, but I never buddied them. But somehow they became my buddy. Okay, but I love this drink. I just love it, and it has slices of pie. Oh, I can't grab jelly beans. That stinks. That stinks. I said that way too quiet. So, I'm just gonna go to this one. Guys, I'm gonna end this video very soon. I'm sorry if you're really bored, but guys, this is my very first video, like I said. Very first video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And guys, I'm just gonna end the video right now. Okay, guys, I just had to read something. Okay, so guys, comment, like, subscribe. Me, Glitter Girl. Oh, guys, buddy. Glitter Girl, me, and everyone, okay? And please just like me, guys. I am super nervous for people watching this. I'm so excited. So guys, I really hope you like this video. So comment, like, and subscribe. Keep on saying this, but I really want this to happen. Just can't be opened. So bye guys, and KaffyKat signing out. Woohoo!